Hello everyone, I still remember my humble self Chukwuka Obelago, and I'm presenting today's video from the Billion Coin app. Okay, this is the blog section, and in the blog section there is the latest update by the TBC admin titled Pathway to Collecting Retroactive Cookie Rewards. Okay, okay, what he meant by retroactive is the cookie reward is available to everyone who joined TBC from March 2016 till present. Okay, till present, meaning you have the opportunity. If you purchase TBC even before the start of the cookie reward system, you have an opportunity for you to earn cookie reward. Okay, and you know okay, that if you purchase $100 worth of TBC or more, or let's say you purchase $100 worth of TBC from somebody even before the kringle cookie reward system started, you will get one full TBC as a reward. Okay, so but in cases whereby the person who sold to you is no longer available because they have moved on to other things, or because they don't have the patience to stick along with TBC and decide to focus on other things, okay, there is a way. Okay, there is a way. So what I'm going to do for you in this video is not to read everything in this blog. It's just what I'm going to do for you is to focus on the part that shows you how to get your deserved cookie reward from the purchase you made before the cookie reward even started. Okay, so I'm going to head straight to where I highlighted. So I'm going to just read it for you word for word what the TBC admin said. Okay, all right, so here is how it goes. Since the original seller is no longer able or willing to help their buyers collect their cookie rewards, these buyers need to find a willing, trusted seller to stand in for them. Now, buyers, this does not put you into a position to make demands upon any trusted seller to help you in this matter. The caveat is you should be willing to properly compensate a trusted seller to assist you. Don't go to a trusted seller empty-handed. You obviously paid at least $100 to the original seller that has left you hanging since then. Ultimately, a $100 purchase allows you to acquire one full TBC coin. I'm sure most trusted sellers will be willing to assist you if you paid at least $50 of TBC from them. If you purchased at least $50 worth of TBC from them. If you paid $50 now and had purchased $100 before, then that will entitle you to $150 worth of cookie rewards. Okay, $150 worth of cookie rewards, and that should give you about 1.5 TBC. Okay, that's a win-win for both of you. There are hundreds of send button and soon to be thousands trusted sellers that have their send buttons turned on. You can find active trust sellers by going to here. Okay, but so it's clear. Okay, so if you want a trusted seller, okay, to help you redeem the cookies you earn from your purchase from another seller before the cookie reward even started, then all you need to do is purchase some extra cookies from TBC from them. Okay, personally, I'm a trusted seller with a send button, so I'm willing to follow the admin's solution here, that if you buy $50 worth extra worth of TBC from me, automatically you are going to get $150 worth of cookies. But note, you have to at least purchase $100 worth of TBC previously, or even more, before coming to purchase extra for me as a way for me to verify your transaction. Okay, so it's very simple, guys. So you can go to the Blancoin app and read up on the rest of this message. Okay, then another thing again is I want to emphasize, the admin talked about about people creating third-party programs where they hold TBC trainings, how to become TBC trainings on what TBC is all about, how you can make money even without a send button and the rest of them. Well, I offer same program, but mine is free. Okay, what do you need to do? All you need to simply do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, this YouTube channel. Okay, download. Okay, all you need to do is subscribe to this YouTube channel. Okay, and also subscribe to my blog, chukwukabelago.com. And before the middle of the year, I might come up with some ebooks where you can download for free, so that you can have a guide to understand what TBC is all about. Okay, so that's it. Okay, that's it, guys. This is just a summary. So if you want to learn more about TBC, okay, pay attention to this video, to this YouTube channel. Go to previous videos that I've done to understand what TBC is all about, to learn how you can make money with TBC, to understand cryptocurrency in general, why we are different. Okay, and while you're doing that, if you had purchased TBC previously from somebody and the person is no longer a part of TBC anymore, or you can't reach the person, all you need to do is just spend a little money. Okay, purchase $50 worth of TBC from me. Okay, and I will verify your purchase. By doing that, it activates you for the cookie reward of what you purchased now and what you purchased previously. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Take care. Bye for now. If you have any question, you can email me or you can chat me up on WhatsApp. Take care. Bye for now.